back to the channel. So today we will be discussing about operating system page replacement algorithm. That is one of the most important topic. So we will start with introduction of page replacement algorithm. Some important terms like what is the meaning of page fault, how to find page fault. We will discuss all these things. Along with this, we are also going to discuss different types of page replacement algorithms like FIFO, first in first out. LRU means least recently used algorithm, optimal page replacement and random replacement algorithm. So all these points are very important. So let's start the session. So students, in an operating system, remember one point, whenever any operating system uses paging, whenever any operating system uses paging for memory management, a page replacement algorithm is always needed there, and it is needed just to decide which page needs to be replaced when a new page comes in. सिंपल से लैंग्वेज में देखते हैं, एक पेज में मान लीजिए यहाँ पर वैल्यू 8 है, 9 है एंड 4 है. अब हमारे सिस्टम में हम ये पेजिंग यूज कर रहे हैं जिसमें 3 फ्रेम्स अवेलेबल है. नेक्स्ट नंबर आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड इन दिस फ्रेम इज 1. नाउ अब यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो कि स्पेस बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, एक्स्ट्रा एज हम ऐड नहीं कर सकते, तो 1 को ऐड करने के लिए हमें पेज को रिप्लेस करना होगा. वी हैव टू डिलीट एनी ऑफ द 1 वैल्यू, एंड फॉर दिस we have different types of algorithms like FIFO, LRU, optimal and random replacement, right? So I am repeating this statement. In an operating system that uses paging for memory management, a page replacement algorithm is always needed, and it is needed just to decide which page needs to be replaced when a new page comes in, right? In this section you can see, in an operating system, page replacement refers to a scenario in which a page from main memory should be replaced by the page from the secondary memory. All right. One more definition is, that is very important for your competitive exams. Page replacement is needed in operating system that uses virtual memory, using demand paging. Okay, as we all know, in demand paging, what happened? Only a set of pages of a process is loaded into the memory, and this is done so that we can have more processes in the memory at the same time. So that's why we always need page replacement algorithms. And in every operating system, when a page that is residing in virtual memory is requested, page replacement algorithm, when a page that is residing in virtual memory is requested by a process P1, let's say, for its execution, the operating system needs to decide which page will be replaced by the requested page. Okay, that's why we always use these type of page replacement algorithms. Now, one important statement you should note is what is the meaning of page faults, right? So page fault occurs when a process running in CPU, let's say process P1 is currently running on the CPU, tries to access a page. This is page 1, let's say page 1, page 2 and page 3. This is process P1, okay? A page fault occurs when a program running in a CPU tries to access a page that is in the address space of the program, but the requested page is currently not loaded into the main memory. Let's say our CPU, our processes is looking for a value 8 that is currently not loaded into the main memory. 8 is not available anywhere in these 3 pages. Okay, the page is currently not loaded into main memory, the RAM in the system. That is the page fault. That is called the page fault. A page fault happens when a running process, I have taken an example of process P1, that is a running process. A page fault happens when a running program accesses a main memory page that is mapped into virtual memory space but not loaded in the physical memory. Different page replacement algorithms suggest different ways to decide which page is to be replaced in the next step. Page replacement occurs due to page fault. This is very important statement. Page replacement occurs always due to page faults. Let's take an example. Okay, let's take an example कि अगर कोई पेज कोई पेज है जिसकी रिक्वेस्ट सीपीयू ने की हो, वो फ्रेम में अवेलेबल ना हो. लेट्स से हियर वी हैव फ्रेम ऑफ 4. ठीक है, CPU wants to access the value 8, but as you can see here, value 8 is not available anywhere. So here we have one page fault. अगर यहाँ पर वैल्यू 8 होती एंड सीपीयू उसको फाइंड आउट कर लेता, एक्सेस कर लेता इजीली जो उसकी रिक्वेस्ट थी, तो पेज फॉल्ट अकर नहीं होता. सो बिकॉज पेज फॉल्ट अकर ना हो, इसीलिए वी ऑलवेज यूज पेज रिप्लेसमेंट एल्गोरिदम, ताकि सीपीयू whenever wants any value or CPU whenever wants to access any value from the memory, it will easily get that value. Okay. I hope everything is clear. In virtual memory management, page replacement plays very important role, right? And a page replacement algorithm or page replacement policies is always used to decrease the maximum number of page faults. This is very important statement. One more statement I would like to add is, if one person increases the number of frames, then number of page faults will also be increased. Automatically ये काम होगा. अगर आपका पेज फ्रेम, नंबर ऑफ पेज फ्रेम्स यू विल इंक्रीज, देन डेफिनेटली आपका पेज फॉल्ट भी बढ़ता ही जाएगा. Okay. So now we have different types of page replacement algorithms, like FIFO, means first in, first out. As its name implies, it is very simple way of page replacement algorithm. This algorithm mainly replaces the oldest page. It always replaces the oldest page that has been present in the main memory for the longest time. First in, जो सबसे पहले आया होगा फ्रेम में, that particular frame will be replaced by new entering value. This algorithm is implemented by keeping the track of all the pages in the queue. We will discuss every type of page replacement algorithm in detail with the numerical questions जो कि एग्जाम में आते हैं. Here this is introductory lecture, so हम सिर्फ इतना सा ही देखेंगे, बाकी we will discuss all these types one by one. Next is optimal page replacement. So this optimal page replacement algorithm replaces a page that will not be used for the longest time. That will not be used for the longest time in the future. Remember one point, whenever we talk about optimal page replacement algorithm, that means we are talking about future values. लंबे समय में आगे हमें कौन सी वैल्यू यूज नहीं करने वाली है, वो हम ऑप्टिमल पेज रिप्लेसमेंट में इस्तेमाल करते हैं, उसको उसमें रिप्लेस करते हैं. हर एक टॉपिक आपका क्लियर हो जाएगा जब आप न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चंस देखोगे. Practical implementation is not possible because we cannot predict in advance those pages that will not be used for the longest period in the future, but examination point of view से ये topic बहुत important है. Next we have is LRU, least recently used. LRU. Okay, so this algorithm is least recently used. This helps the operating system to search those pages that are used over a short duration. Over a short duration of time frame. This is the LRU. Next we have is LIFO. LIFO means last in, first out. LIFO means last in, first out. This algorithm works in a similar way. जैसे कि हम लोगों ने डेटा स्ट्रक्चर में LIFO पढ़ा था, सिमिलर वे में ये काम करता है. न्यूएस्ट पेज इज रिप्लेस्ड विच इज अराइव्ड एट लास्ट इन द प्राइमरी मेमोरी. Okay, newest page we always replace here. Last and most important we have is random replacement, random page replacement. As indicated from name, this algorithm replaces the pages randomly. Random replacement is done here. This algorithm can work like any other page replacement algorithms, like sometimes it follows the principle of LIFO, sometimes it follow the principle of FIFO, sometimes it follow LRU, or sometimes it follows optimal page replacement algorithm. So this is the random page replacement algorithm. So all these types are very important. This is just an overview of all these algorithms. So this is lecture number 38. In lecture number 39, we will be covering FIFO introduction as well as one or two numerical question based on your college exams or your competitive exams. So I hope everything is clear till now. Thank you so much everybody for watching.